Hello everybody, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today I got an exciting unboxing for you guys. Our old bathroom scale gave out and I've been looking for a new one. Our old bathroom scale used those flat round batteries, and for some reason after less than a week it would die and the scale would not work. This uses AAA batteries, so I'm hoping that's a better setup than the flat circle ones. So I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's get excited and let's start unboxing. Oh, look at that. They even supply batteries for the first time use, and this is also something interesting that comes with it. So this is a body measuring tape, so you can measure your waist or whatever you want to do. That is cool. And you can stick it in here like this then, you know. So you pull it tight, just like so, and you can measure yourself. So 7. Pull it out. Let's see how far it goes. Wow, that is awesome. It goes up to 60. That is cool. So that's an awesome feature alone. So yeah, this was a good price, especially with that, especially it comes with batteries. Let's go ahead and move this out of our way. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is a nice scale. I like this. Definitely looks better in person than it was on Amazon. So if you guys are interested, you can find this product in my video description from the direct seller, so you don't get a cheap knockoff. So it's very nice style. Hopefully the camera can show you guys how nice of a style it really is. I like the design, and that's why I picked it out. So let's show you guys on the back. And I am working on losing weight, so you know, getting a new one was a must for me, so I'm glad I got this scale. Could you guys do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel? That would also be a awesome help for me as a YouTuber. Let's go ahead and put the batteries in, and then let's show you how it works. I'm almost ashamed of stepping on the scale, but now it's a good starting point. It will be a good demonstration. Now here's a pro tip. Did you know that you're supposed to weigh yourself in the morning, because that's your true weight? If you weigh yourself in the evening, that's normally when you're at your highest. And also you should weigh yourself with nothing on. That way you get your true weight. So weigh yourself in the morning. This is in the afternoon, and I have clothes on, so it's going to be, you know, obviously read a little heavier than what it would in the morning. So we have it in. Let's go test it out. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see. I don't want to block the angle here, so I'll show you how it works. $192 with clothes on. So now it's also going to depend on the area that you're at too. Okay, so when you step off and step back on, okay, still 192. So two different readings. You want it on a flat surface. If it's not on a flat surface, it's going to give a wrong reading. So 3 times 192. So we'll take off the clothes, and in the morning we're probably about 189. So yeah, that's just a baseline. So yeah, I love this scale. It works good. I'm very happy with this. So we will do a review, and just to point out, this design here, the little designs in here, actually are raised, and they provide kind of like a grip for your feet, so anti-slip in a way. So that's very nice. So yeah, overall, I think we can go ahead and safely give this product a 9 out of 10. We may change that score in a couple months. So you guys, this is why you have to subscribe to my channel, because I do follow-up reviews down the road. So if something breaks or if something just is better than what I originally thought or worse, I give you guys my updated review. So this is why you have to subscribe, so you guys do not miss out on my updates. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and my score is 9 out of 10.